the COVID numbers have gone up and there's nothing to do because it's all shut down and we're stuck in our house, right?
No, we're in the car.
Well, where are we going?
We're at the Pinnacles.
The Pinnacles, that's right, Berea, Kentucky. Really cool hike, even cooler views. We're gonna go check it out and get some epic drone shots. And yes, you can do this during COVID season if you're healthy. I'd rather pee in my pants. Well, we are climbing up to the top of the pinnacle. And let me tell you, it's like we're climbing a mountain or something.
We're going up there.
Let's go. It looks like we've come to a crossroads. Where should we go? Okay. Will, how was Thanksgiving? What is your favorite Thanksgiving dessert, Will?
Pumpkin roll and Watergate salad.
Oh, actually pumpkin rolls are pretty good. I thought you were gonna say pumpkin pie. I don't like pumpkin pie. It has a texture that's just... Hello. Hello. Oh, thank you. See, he understands. I understand. Well, the guy does. It's just the texture is just... kind of makes me gag in the back of my throat is how it feels.
You just leave that to everyone else.
Well, that guy agreed. So if you have an awesome Thanksgiving tradition or favorite Thanksgiving dessert, or if you like pumpkin pie or dislike it, let us know in the comments because we want to know more about you too. I'm out of breath.
It's all that turkey holding us back.
Okay.
You know, we're so full of pumpkin and all the food. When we get to the top, we're gonna be so tired we're gonna have to pumpkin roll it all the way back down to the bottom of the hill.
Belly roll all the way down. Found this really cool like trench thing, and Will then got himself stuck. How you gonna get out of that? Reminds me of like that scene in Narnia where they're hiding, and that same scene in The Lord of the Rings where they're hiding. And in both scenes, there's somebody that goes overhead, and like they're afraid they're gonna be found, and then something pops out.
Here we are.
Stop, I have something to tell them. So as we're walking back, I'm realizing something. In the winter, it's not quite as colorful, and some would say not quite as beautiful because there's not as many colors. But one thing that I'm realizing, and it's a life lesson that I learned from one of my professors, he told me he went on a diet to where he only ate vegetables, and he's like, it's crazy how delicious lettuce tasted and how much I missed out on the delicious taste of lettuce because everything else overshadowed it. And I think that's really true about winter hiking as well. It's like the colors of the trees overshadowed so many of the simple beauties like the rock formations, and we were able to see like a trail because the trees weren't hiding everything. And I can see the views a lot better because the tree leaves are gone. And so it's kind of that same concept as, you know, it's not quite as colorful and quite as beautiful in that sense, but it also leaves room for you to be able to appreciate the other beauties. Winter hiking is pretty fun, and it's a good discipline.
Yeah.
What do you think of that, Will?
Sounds really good. I also get to appreciate I'm not distracted by all the pretty leaves, and so I get to appreciate some of the other beauties.
I think he's talking about me. You guys, if you haven't gone out there, you gotta check it out. It's amazing. And also, if you like this video, give it a giant thumbs up and subscribe because that'll help us out a whole lot. See ya!